In this question, we will look at how composition of function is differentiated. It is function of x, composition of g of f of x is equal to x, where he says y is equal to f of x, then what g prime f of x is equal to. So this is the question. So options we have are g prime f of x, f prime of x. B is f prime of x, C is 1 by f prime of x, D is minus 1 by f prime of x. So what is correct answer? Let us differentiate. Okay, solution begins as g of f of x is equal to x. We differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. D by dx application will do it. D by dx of this means derivative with respect to x of left side and of right side. First d by dx will change g to g prime with same f of x, and then it applies on f of x, makes it f prime of x is equal to dx by dx, one on right side. And after that, as the value of this is required, we can see the statement of the question. So we separate it, we send this on right side, it divides right hand side. So g prime of f of x is equal to 1 by f prime of x. So option C is correct here.